This is the voice notes app. If you look right here on the bottom, it's a little blue microphone. You can open the app and you will see here an interface. Over on the right hand side is the section where you have a little, I want to say notebook, but it's more than just that. So I can go here and I can say sample commentary. And then maybe I can tag it with English. This is for my English class. You can see right now it automatically put this tag in there, in the list of tags. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to press this little recording button. Hello, this is my IB individual oral commentary for English language and literature, standard level. Blah, 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 blah. I'm going to record my sample commentary. I can change the volume. I can pause the recording in the middle and then continue where I left off. Or I can hit stop and then play it back. Recording button. Hello, this is my IB individual oral commentary for English language and literature, standard level. Blah, 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 blah. I'm going to record my sample commentary. That's something you can use this. It's just a great tool if you want the students to be recording audio on their iPads. You can have them save the file very easily by clicking this share button up here in the top right hand corner and save it as an audio. And I'm going to put it into my Google Drive. This is how I have the students do it. Save. And then you'll see a little MP3 right here. It disappeared, of course. Oh, here we go. There's my sample commentary. Recording button. Hello. If I go back into the app, I also can add things like a picture. Take a picture. I also can do a little to-do list if I want. And I can add notes. Pretty simple, straightforward, but it could come in handy if you need to do oral assessment and you want students to all be speaking at the same time. Thanks very much.